Hello all. Today I have come up with the collection of problems that appeared in Math Kangaroo. They are all related to time. Okay. The first problem is from noon until midnight, wise cat sleeps under a chestnut tree. From midnight until noon, he is awake telling stories. There is a note on the tree which says 2 hours ago Wise cat was doing the same thing that will be doing in an hour. Okay, so 2 hours ago he was doing something and it is going to be the same that is going to do it on in next 1 hour. Okay, how many hours out of 24 hours is the note true? So let us start like 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7. 23 and 0 is again 24th hour, right? So there are 23 hours. In that he is going to sleep from noon to midnight. So it is from 12 o'clock. From this time he is going to sleep till this time. Okay, and it's going to start telling the stories from, so he is awake from this time. Okay, so he starts sleeping from here and he's start awaking from this time. Okay, so he has to do this activity. So 2 hours ago, suppose if I say the first hour, 2 hours ago is 23rd hour, right? That time he was sleeping, but 1 hour ago, after the 1 o'clock, it is he's going to be awake, right? He's here, he is awake, and here is going to sleep, so that is not going to work. So let's count the second hour. Okay, the second hour, 2 hours before he was awake, and 1 hour after that also he is going to be awake. So second hour, we can count that hour because 2 hours before that he is awake, and 1 hour after that also he is awake and he is doing the same work. Okay, 3 o'clock to, that means 2 hours before, that is 1 o'clock he is awake, and 4 o'clock also he is awake, so it same activity he is doing. Okay, so 4 o'clock also it's 2 and 5 the same. So 5 o'clock, 2 hours before he is awake, 1 hour after that he is awake, so we are just going to continue this. Okay, yes, he is awake, he is following the same condition, 2 hours before and 1 hour after. 9 o'clock also, yes. 10 o'clock, so 2 hours before, 1 hour after he is awake. And 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock he is awake, but 12 o'clock he is asleep, right? So this condition, it's not going to be true. And 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock he is awake, but 13 hour he is sleeping, so this is not going to be calculated. 13 hours, 11 hours he is awake, but 14th hour he is asleep, right? So that's also not going to work. 14th hour, 12th hour he was sleeping, and 15th hour also he is going to sleep. So after that, I think almost he is going to sleep. So 18th hour means 16th hours he is sleeping, 19th hour also he is sleeping, so they can be counted. So 21st hour, when we do it, he is sleeping on 19th hour, he is sleeping in 22nd hour. So 22nd he is sleeping on 20th, and he is sleeping on 23rd also. So 23rd hour he is sleeping in the 21st hour, but the 24th hour, that is 0th hour, he is awake, so this cannot be counted. So just let us count the number of times the statement is true, the note is true. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, the answer is C, 18. Excuse me. Okay, so now let's move on to the next problem. Mowgli usually wake from home to the beach and returns on an elephant. So, sorry, usually walks from home to beach. Okay, and it takes him 40 minutes altogether, and he returns with elephant and it takes 40 minutes. So this can be expressed as walking plus elephant ride. He takes 40 minutes. Okay, and then one day he traveled on the elephant from home to beach and back. So both the ways he took the elephant. Okay, and it took 30 minutes. That means the elephant ride takes 32 minutes. How much time would he need to travel the same distance on foot? That is, by walking, how much time he will take. Okay, so it is, so E is 16, right? So substitute this here. So the walking becomes 24. But he has to walk both ways, from home to beach and beach to home. So it means double times, right? So 48. See, it's very critical here. They have given both the answers, 24 and 48. If you just didn't read the question properly, or you are in a hurry to answer, then you may pick up 24 also. So be very careful in such problems. The problem will be simple, but when you answer it, there should be a caution. Okay, the answer is D. Next, when it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon in London, that is 4 o'clock afternoon means 4 p.m. It is 5 o'clock in the afternoon in Madrid, so it is 5 p.m. And it is 8 o'clock in the morning on the same day in San Francisco, so it is 8 a.m. So because it is the morning in the same day, so it's very important. Then, and went to bed in San Francisco at 9 o'clock yesterday evening. So yesterday evening means 9 p.m. and it is yesterday, so just keep it as a note. Okay, what was the time in Madrid at that moment? What was the time when she went to bed 9 p.m. in San Francisco? Okay, what is the difference between timings of San Francisco and Madrid? It is 8 a.m. so 9, 10, 11, 12, so 9 hours. Okay, but 9 hours, but San Francisco is ahead. San Francisco is ahead. Okay, so it is 9 p.m. in San Francisco. Okay, so it's going to be 9 hours behind than it is Madrid's time. 9 hours behind is 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. Now we have to determine that is AM or PM. So it's behind, right? So yesterday night, so it is today's night, today's morning, 6 a.m. Okay, today 6 a.m. That's the difference. This is yesterday, this is today, because we calculate this, the San Francisco's time is ahead of Madrid's time. Okay, so the answer is 6 o'clock this morning. E is the option. Okay. A snail crawls 1.953 meters in 2.1 hours. How much distance can it crawl in 10 hours? I think it's a very simple problem. This may appear in A part. Okay, so in 2.1 hours, the snail is recording the distance 1.953. So in 10 hours, alright, how much distance it can? So 1.953 into 10 hours by 2.1. So the answer is going to be 9.3 meters. Okay, the answer is A. It's a very simple problem. we should hurry up quickly in these problems, but it is a having division work, right, that has to be done, where the calculator is not allowed in exams like Math Kangaroo, so you have to have some ability of division. Okay, next is Abigail read 6 by 9 of a book in 2 days. Okay, in 2 days he is able to read 6 by 9 of a book. If Abigail read 4 by 9 of the book on the first day, so in the first day he is reading 4 by 9 of the book, the fraction of the book she reads on the second day. So this is too easy, right? Totally of the first day and the second day he is able to read 6 by 9. The first day he is able to read 4 by 9, right? So this is very easy. So this is like x if I keep, okay, so it is 6 by 9 minus 4 by 9, that is 2 by 9. Okay, so this is a very quick problem. Such problems also appear in the exam. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the problems, and we will check out some more problems like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video and comment on the comment section if you have any questions.